Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra sepi da ka singam beats aqua na molai moro hakajingdap sunsnem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Loan So Po Shillong. One ban thiet ya ka kali Datsun Ready Go bathamai ka bas kem bat bidor.
Kaseng Kongres kabasyong hakalyang persya hakasipau terik uno pra arjar arpo kala kerpat ya ulat kejela usatya pal malik baun penpaino ya Megalia Resident Safety and Security Amendment Bill arjar arpo sya ke sorkar bat ban pentrai kampura ben da Megalia Resident Safety and Security Act ya kabala penlong ain host nem arjar khatnriu na kabenta ban te lakam ya ka jingwan rung kerthem jong ki bar jela bat ki menderi syakani ke jela Meghalaya. Habaya keren bat kilat pathai kubor hadin ke jingyi kendo ya ulat ke jela unong yelam jong kaliang persya u Dr. Mukul Sangma ulaong baka Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act arjar khatnriu kadai ka ain kabala biang bha ban yada ya ke jela bat lingba kani ka ain lapsudru ya ki kendon ban penyeng ya ki kerdop talasi mender ha ke jela barok kawai ban thau yi ki district task force bat kumjuru ban te lakam yi ki nongshong wai ki bawan nabar ke jela.
One is in relation to ensure that there is an understanding for the justification of the demand for the implementation of inner line permit under the purview of the Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation 1873 and implement it in the state of Meghalaya. This demand for ILP, which was spearheaded for a long time by some of the premier NGOs of the state, particularly the student bodies, have grown louder and louder after the enactment of the contentious Citizenship Amendment Act, as you all are aware. In fact, it became more intense and the demand for ILP echoed from across the state, based on which after an in-depth analysis looking at the genuine apprehension of the people as they are anticipated to unfold after the Citizenship Amendment Act, you will remember that all the political parties in the August House in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly took a unanimous resolution, adopted a unanimous resolution to urge upon Government of India to include Meghalaya under the purview of the Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation 1873 and implement ILP. Now this pending. There was an assurance from the state government by the Chief Minister himself that they will pursue aggressively and prevail upon Government of India and see that it's considered and implemented in the state of Meghalaya. Now that should be taken up because this is based on the genuine apprehension of the people post enactment of Citizenship Amendment Act, and keeping in mind the importance of the state from the geopolitical perspective, with a long international border with Bangladesh and long interstate border with Assam, and the demographic changes that the region as a whole have witnessed in the preceding decades. Therefore, these concerns were appropriately articulated in my letter, the copy of which I will share with all of you, so that you will have what is the points that I have tried to articulate in the letter. Implement this Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act 2016, the then government during our time has embarked upon all the necessary measures which is required to be put in place to ensure that the law in totality can be implemented. This includes, strengthening the different organization of the different departments of the government, including the administrative, wings of the government, including the creation of new districts, creation of new civil subdivisions, creation of new blocks, creation of new police stations, strengthening of the police organization, separation of the judiciary from executive. All these were comprehensively designed and expeditiously completed. Now, in addition to that, you are aware that along with the law, you have also various other laws which should be implemented, and then therefore those departments, line departments who are mandated by law to enforce them were strengthened further. And the only problem was that after the formation of the new government, they wanted some amendment. They proposed an amendment and passed the amendment bill in the assembly, if you recollect. Now this amendment bill passed by the assembly, we have expressed our concern that time. However, it was passed in the assembly, piloted by the government, is pending to be assented by the government, by the governor. Now, we try to know why it should be pending. Another thing is, if it is pending and if it's likely to be delayed, we subscribe the idea of recalling the amendment bill and ensure that Meghalaya Residence Safety and Security Act 2016 in its original form is implemented immediately, and ensure that the concerns of the people are to an extent possible addressed by operationalization of this beautifully conceptualized multi-pronged operational act. Now, I'll be writing a letter to the Chief Minister to share with him what we have shared with the governor and request the government to recall the amendment bill and ensure that the Meghalaya Residence Safety and Security Act 2016 is operationalized in its original form without further delay, in the best interest of the state, best interest of the people as a whole.